Imagine waking up the next day and seeing $5,000 sitting in your bank account. You smile. But not because your boss paid you. You didn't work a shift. You didn't sell anything. While you were sleeping, your money was quietly working for you. It sounds like a dream. But millions of people are already building towards this reality. The big question is this: how much money do you actually need invested to make that happen? Most people guess far too high or far too low. The truth depends on how you invest, and choosing the wrong path could cost you years of progress. In this video, you'll discover the exact investment amounts you need to earn $5,000 every month in passive income. We'll compare safe options with higher-paying investments and see how each choice changes the amount you need. You'll also learn which approach gives you the best balance between steady income and risk. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final lesson could save you from one of the biggest investing mistakes people make. Now let's find out how close you really are to turning your investments into a monthly paycheck. Picture your life if $5,000 landed in your bank account every single month without you working for it that day. Before you even make your morning coffee, the money is already there. No overtime, no extra job, no waiting for payday. Just steady income from investments you built over time. What would change first? Maybe your rent or mortgage would be covered without worry. Your grocery bills, utility payments, and insurance could all be paid with money your investments earned. You might finally take a family vacation without feeling guilty. You could build a bigger emergency fund or stop losing sleep over unexpected bills. The biggest change may not be your lifestyle. It may be your peace of mind. Imagine going to work because you enjoy it. Not because you have no other choice. You could spend more time with your family, learn a new skill, start a business, or simply enjoy life without constant money stress. This is why so many people dream about passive income. It is not just about having more money. It is about having more control over your time. Time is something you can never earn back. But here's the important part. This is not a story about getting rich overnight. There are no secret tricks or magic investments waiting around the corner. Building $5,000 a month in passive income happens one investment at a time. $1 at a time. And one smart decision at a time. Every investment you make today is another small step toward the day when your money starts working harder than you do. At first, it sounds like your goal is simple. You want $5,000 every month. But that is not the number that really matters. The number that changes everything is $60,000 a year. Why? Because investments are usually measured by how much they earn in 1 year, not 1 month. Once you start thinking in yearly income, the math becomes much easier to understand. Imagine your investments are like fruit trees. The trees are your portfolio, and the fruit is the income they produce each year. Bigger trees usually grow more fruit, but some trees also produce more fruit than others. Investments work the same way. This is where something called yield comes in. Yield is the percentage of income your investments pay each year. A lower yield means you need a larger portfolio to earn $60,000 a year. A higher yield means you may need less money invested. It sounds simple, but there is an important catch that we'll cover later. Think about two investors with the same goal. Both want to earn $60,000 every year. One invests in assets that pay around 3%. The other chooses investments that pay 6%. They both reach the same income goal, but they need very different amounts invested to get there. That is why asking, "How much do I need invested?" is only half the question. The better question is, how much income will each dollar I invest produce? Once you understand that relationship, the path becomes much clearer. Now look at 4 different investing paths. Each one leads to the same destination of $5,000 a month. But each requires a different amount of money, a different level of risk, and a different way of thinking. Imagine standing at the beginning of a long road. In front of you are 4 different paths, and each one can lead to the same destination: $5,000 a month in passive income. But the journey, The risks and the amount of money you need to invest will be different on each path. The first road is the path of maximum safety. Here, you choose investments designed to protect your money and provide steady returns. The problem is that safer investments usually pay less income. Because the return is lower, you may need a much larger amount of money invested to reach $60,000 a year. This path gives you more peace of mind, but it often requires more patience and a bigger starting amount. The second road is building a portfolio of dividend ETFs. Instead of depending on one company, you invest in a group of companies that pay dividends. This creates more balance and reduces the risk of one company hurting your income. However, because the income is spread across many businesses, the yield may be moderate, meaning you still need a large portfolio to reach your goal. The third road takes you into individual dividend-paying companies. Here, you choose specific businesses that share their profits with investors. This path can create strong income, but it requires more research. Choosing the wrong company could reduce your returns or even cause you to lose money. The fourth road is higher-yield investments, such as REITs. These investments can provide larger income payments because they are built around generating cash flow. The advantage is that you may need less money invested to reach $5,000 a month, but higher income usually comes with higher risk. Every path has a price. Some require more money upfront. Some require more knowledge. Some require you to accept more risk. The goal is not to find the path that looks the fastest. The goal is to choose the path you can follow for many years without giving up, because building passive income is not about one big decision. It is about making smart choices repeatedly until your money starts working for you. Imagine you discover an investment that promises a huge dividend. The number looks amazing, while other investments are paying 3% or 4%. This one is offering 10% or even more. At first glance, it feels like you found the shortcut to reaching $5,000 a month faster. But this is where many investors make a costly mistake. A high dividend does not always mean a great investment. Sometimes, a company offers a large payout because its business is struggling. The dividend may look attractive, but behind the scenes, the company could be losing money, carrying too much debt, or facing problems that could reduce future payments. Many investors only look at the income they can receive today. They see a large dividend check and believe they are winning. But they forget to ask a more important question. Will this investment still be strong 5, 10, or 20 years from now? A weak investment can pay you a large amount for a short time, then cut the dividend or lose value. When that happens, the income you depended on may disappear, and your portfolio could be worth much less than when you started. Building passive income is not just about collecting the biggest payment. It is about owning quality assets that can continue producing income over time. A strong company with a smaller, reliable dividend can sometimes create more wealth than a risky investment with a large payout. The smartest investors understand that income and quality must work together. The goal is not to find the highest number today. The goal is to build a portfolio that can keep paying you year after year. Because true financial freedom is not built on quick wins. It is built on investments that can survive the test of time. Your greatest advantage in investing is not having a huge amount of money today. It is having something even more powerful: time. Imagine there are two versions of you, both start investing at the same age. Both buy the same dividend-paying investments. Both receive the same payments every month. The first version of you takes every dividend payment and spends it. Maybe you use it for extra shopping, vacations, or small upgrades to your lifestyle. There is nothing wrong with enjoying your money. But every payment you spend is money that stops working for your future. Now imagine the second version of you. Instead of spending those dividends, you take every dollar and invest it again. You buy more shares. Those extra shares create more dividends, then those new dividends buy even more shares. At first, the difference looks small. After the first year, you may not notice much change. But years begin to pass, and something powerful starts happening. Your investments are no longer growing from your money alone. They are growing from the income your money creates. This is the power of compounding. Fast forward 1015 or 20 years, and the gap between these two versions of you can become massive. One person is still depending on their original investment. The other has built a much larger income machine because they allowed their money to multiply. Many people focus only on finding the perfect investment. But often, the biggest advantage comes from a simple decision: giving your investments enough time to grow. The journey to $5,000 a month in passive income is not only about how much you invest. It is also about what you do with the income your investments produce. Reinvesting those payments today could be the decision that creates the financial freedom you want tomorrow. One of the biggest questions people ask is, how long will it take me to build enough wealth to earn $5,000 a month? The answer depends on how much you invest, how long you stay invested, and the returns your investments create. Imagine 3 different versions of you. The first version invests $200 every month. It may not feel like a lot at the beginning, but over time, those small contributions begin to build a foundation. The second version invests $500 every month and gives their money more fuel to grow. The third version invests $1,000 every month, allowing their portfolio to grow even faster. The difference between these people is not just the amount of money they invest. It is the habit they create and the years they give their investments to work. Many people spend years searching for the perfect investment. They wait for the perfect time to start, they study every option but never take action. Meanwhile, someone else starts with a small amount and lets time do the heavy lifting. The truth is, consistency often matters more than perfection. A simple investment plan followed for many years can beat a complicated strategy that is never started. Your future self will not care whether you started with a small amount or a large amount. Your future self will be grateful that you started at all. Every month you invest is another step toward building assets that can pay you later. The money you invest today may seem small, but years from now, it could become the foundation of your passive income. The journey to $5,000 a month does not begin when you have enough money. It begins when you decide to start building. The earlier you begin, the more time your investments have to work for you. Building a portfolio that pays you every month is not about finding one perfect investment. It is about creating a system where different assets work together to support your financial goals. Imagine depending on only one company for all your passive income. If that company cuts its dividend, faces problems, or loses value, your income could suddenly take a hit. This is why smart investors avoid putting all their hopes into one place. Instead, they build a collection of different investments. You might have dividend-paying companies that provide regular income. You might include dividend ETFs that spread your money across many businesses. You could also add other income-producing assets, such as real estate investments, to create another stream of cash flow. Each investment plays a different role. Some may provide stability. Some may offer growth. Some may create higher income. Together, they can form a stronger and more balanced portfolio. This is the power of diversification. It does not remove all risk, but it helps protect you from depending on one single source. When one investment struggles, another part of your portfolio may continue supporting your income. Many people chase the most exciting investments because they want fast results. They look for the biggest returns, the newest trends, or the quickest way to get rich. But building lasting passive income is not about excitement. It is about creating something reliable. The goal is not to build a portfolio that looks impressive for a few months. The goal is to build a portfolio that can continue paying you for years. Financial freedom is created when your money becomes a dependable worker. Every quality investment you add is another piece of the machine that moves you closer to earning $5,000 a month without trading all your time for money. Now imagine that morning again. You wake up, Check your bank account and see a $5,000 deposit waiting for you. No extra hours at work. No second job. No stress about where the next paycheck will come from. Your investments created that income while you focused on living your life. But here is the truth most people miss: the $5. Zero is not what changes your life. The real transformation happened years before that moment. It came from the small decisions you made when nobody was watching. The money you invested. The habits you built. The patience you showed when growth felt slow. Passive income is not created overnight. It is built through years of discipline, consistency, and smart choices. Every dollar you invest today is not just money leaving your bank account. It is another asset being created. It is another worker that can continue earning for you in the future. The journey may start small. Your first investment may not create thousands of dollars in income. But every successful investor started with a first step. The difference is they kept going. The goal of earning $5,000 a month in passive income begins with one simple action: investing your first dollar and continuing to build from there. Your future financial freedom is created by the choices you make today. Keep learning, keep investing, and keep building assets that work for you. If you enjoyed this finance story and want to learn more about building wealth, creating passive income, and making smarter money decisions, subscribe to Charles Invest for more finance storytelling videos. Your journey starts now.